Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to drop all the sample schemas from Oracle database 21C Enterprise Edition. So sample schemas I have installed previously. I am going to drop all the sample schemas. So now I am in Oracle home directory under that demo, under that schema directory. So you can see that drop underscore sh.sql is available. So which is already extracted from that database schema zip file. So what this query will do? So this SQL query will drop all the users, that is, it will drop all the schemas. Okay. So in a single shot, it will drop all the schemas. So before I am executing, I am checking whether I can able to log into sample schemas. So I can able to log into sample schemas, which means that all the sample schemas are up and running. Okay. So okay, I am disconnecting from the database. Okay, now let me execute the drop underscore sh.sql. Okay, let me open the sqlplus. Now I am going to directly log into the orclpdb pluggable database instance as a sys user, sysdba. So I can able to log in directly because I have added the entry for orclpdb in tnsnames.ora file. Okay. Now let me execute the drop underscore sh.sql. Okay, it's asking for some inputs. Okay, it's asking for the password for the system user. Provide the password, provide the connection string. Here it is orclpdb. Provide some name to the spool file. Yes, I can see it's dropping all schemas. Okay. Yes, it's successful. So all the 6 schemas whatever I have installed is dropped. Now let me check, let me verify in SQL Developer. Yes, I am unable to connect, which means that all the users and schema are dropped. So we successfully dropped all the sample schemas from Oracle database 21C Enterprise Edition. So make sure that drop underscore sh.sql is available in the schemas folder, which I already extracted.